What if I told you you're not behind at all? My friends and I were talking about this the other day. We said like, bakit parang lagi tayong feeling behind? Like, when you're scrolling tapos you would catch yourself, uy, may bahay na siya, may business pa, pero ako wala pa. But then, na-realize namin, what we are seeing online, they're not the complete story. Best angles, best moments. Parang movie trailer, pero hindi buong pelikula. Meanwhile, tayo, we compare our raw behind the scenes sa final cut nila. Life isn't a race. Just because mas ahead sila sa timeline nila, doesn't mean late ka na sa'yo. We all have different starting points, different battles, different blessings. This is a lesson for you and sa akin din. Instead of rushing, be grateful for the chapter you're in now. Kasi minsan, yung mga lessons and blessings na meron ka today, yun pala ang magsaset up ng pinaka-epic na chapter 10 later. We have to remember this. Hindi pa tayo nahuhuli. Iba-iba lang tayo ng pacing sa life. And believe me, you're exactly where you're supposed to be right now.